Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I'll be making these fancy lipsticks. Basic supplies I used. And let's do it! Roll out a ball of black clay and then wrap it in silver leaf. Don't worry about making it too perfect, just so that it is basically wrapped. Now pinch it and push it together and roll it around in your hand. It will be a little bit messy and some of the pieces will flake off, but that is okay. And this might take a moment to get all the pieces incorporated to get it to stick together. And if you find you have a big spot where your silver leaf did not stick, you could always add a little bit more to it and then continue rolling. We are going for a crackled look. Once it is all stuck together, go ahead and roll it into a tube shape. You'll want to make sure each end is flat. And then begin pinching it into a square shape. You can do this between your fingers and also by placing it on a flat surface and pressing down on each side. Use the round end of a tool to make an indentation on one of the ends of the square. If that distorted your shape, go ahead and fix that. Roll out a very thin piece of red clay. And then fold it in half. And I did use Primo Red. I find it is much firmer than Sculpey, although I do prefer Sculpey brand. On intricate pieces like this, it's easier to use Primo because it's harder and will keep its shape better. Cut off the end to make it even. And then use your fingernails to press in and make it come to a point. Use the tip of a round-ended tool to smooth out the edges. And then also to make a dip at the top of the lip. Cut off the other end. If you're enjoying this, please hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate it. And I would like to say a special thank you to all of my subscribers. I do appreciate it. I am almost at 300 subs, and that's a big thing for me. I love playing with clay and making these videos for you. And then again, pinch that tip between your fingers to make it come to a point. And again, smooth out the edges with a round-ended tool. You can spend as much time as you would like trying to perfect it. I don't think it has to be crazy perfect. We are going to put this on the square that we made earlier, and then eventually resin it so it will cover up any imperfections and it will look really nice. I've made a total of 4 lips. There'll be one for each side. You can arrange your lips however you would like. This is how I'm doing mine. Roll out a small ball of black clay into a cylindrical shape. I'm using the tip of this crochet needle to make a hole or a dip in the top. Take a smaller ball of red clay and roll it into a cylindrical shape. And then you'll want to make one end to come to a point, like lipstick. You can use your fingers or place it on a flat surface and press down, or a combination of both. You will want the very center of it to come to a very sharp point. Once you have that just how you like it, you'll place this in the dip on the cylinder of black clay. Gently roll it to connect it. Pre-poke your eye hook hole at the top through the lipstick. And then place in your eye hook. Place a little bacon bond in the center of the dip on the gold-leafed square. Place your lipstick tube in the center, but it's very important that you drop it first, and then pick it back up and try it again. I'm making a second one, and then I will bake my pieces. Glue in your eye hooks, resin your pieces, and assemble your earrings. And these are them when I'm done. This was not my original design for the lipstick, but I do enjoy how it turned out. If you have any suggestions for things you would like me to make, please leave them in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!